Good morning. Today we will pack all these bottles. Look, dami. Also here. Yan, dami niya. Mayroon pa dito. Mayroon pa dyan. So, all of these are mano-mano. Kasi wala pa yung machine na in-order natin. Hindi pa daw dumarating yung motor. Kaya hopefully after fiesta pa. Pero anyway, please pray for us na makaya namin kasi marami pang order. Yung sa canteen pa. Tsaka yung sa yung sa cathedral, tapos na namin. So, please pray for us, sisters. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all.